Demystifying the term hand drill. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a common yet intriguing English phrase, hand drill. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means, where it's used, and some examples to help solidify your understanding. So, let's jump right in. First, let's break down the term hand drill. Hand. This refers to the human hand, the part of our body at the end of our arm that includes our fingers and thumb. Drill. A tool or device that is used to make holes in something, especially solid materials like wood or metal. When combined, the term hand drill refers to a tool that is manually operated, using hands, to create holes in various materials. It's not electric or powered by any other means. Instead, the user turns a handle or crank to operate the drill. Imagine a tool with a handle on one side and a drill bit, a sharp, spiral-shaped metal piece, on the other. To use it, you would hold the tool steady with one hand, and with the other, you'd turn the handle. As the handle turns, so does the drill bit, allowing it to bore into the material you're working on. The beauty of a hand drill is its simplicity and versatility. Here are some common uses. 1. Woodworking. For creating holes in wooden pieces, especially when precision is needed. 2. Crafts. Handy for various art projects where a small hole is required. 3. Minor home repairs. Useful for creating starter holes for screws. Why would someone choose a hand drill over an electric one? Here are some reasons. Control. Allows for a slower, more controlled drilling process. Portability. Doesn't require electricity, so it can be used anywhere. Safety. Less risk of injury compared to high-speed electric drills. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the term hand drill. It's not just words thrown together. It represents a useful tool with a rich history of aiding in various tasks. We hope this video shed light on its meaning and uses. Happy drilling! And remember, every new word or phrase is a step closer to mastering the English language.